Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polkadot. Polkadot is dropped at the very strong and key support of $6.85. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line can start a bullish reversal move from here, or it is going to break down this support from here. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and let me to show you this weekly time frame chart. And we can see that previously in the month of January 2022, we were moving above this very strong support zone that was from $26.60 and goes to $24.30. It has been breaking as a nice support here and as a nice support here as well, and as a resistance here. And after breaking down, the price line moved up again and retested the previous support as a resistance and confirmed this breakdown and move more down from here. And this was also a head and shoulder pattern formation as well, and this was the neckline. And our target for this head and shoulder pattern to the downside was, let me to place this trend line here. This is the head, and here we had the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. And to the downside, our target was here at the next support. That was also very strong support at $11. At $10.60 we have the support, by the way. And what happened after this drop, the price line even dropped to the next support of $6.85. And if we take a look at the smaller time frame, like on the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see here we have the $10.60 support, and we moved very close to this support of $6.85. And after getting bounced from here, we are now breaking out the next resistance. That was our previous support, that is $11 and $10.60. And here we are also forming an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. On this 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that we have this left shoulder, here we have head, and this is the right shoulder formation, and here we have the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. Now if we take a look at the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then if we will have a breakout from here, then target to the upside will be, I'm just showing you the conservative target and ignoring this extra spike, and that can be up to $18.45. And right now we are moving around at $11. Now let's move back to that weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that this $6.85 was a very strong support, because previously it had been breaking as a very strong resistance back in August 2020. And here we broke it out and retested the previous resistance of $6.85 and confirmed it as a strong and firm support, and we rallied very well. We had a very big rally, and right now we just moved very close to this support, did not touch it, but we have bounced back. And I'm expecting that we will now have some accumulation above the support of $10.60. And as you know, at the same time, Bitcoin is at the support of a very big falling wedge pattern, and we are also having the support of $28,600. That is our price level support. And let me just show you, this is by the way weekly time frame, and if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, then we can see we just had this support of this falling wedge, and we recovered back. Right now we are having accumulation above this $28,600 support level, and we are also above the support of this wedge. Now if Bitcoin will start to move towards the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, then there will be a very high probability that soon Polkadot can start its move to the next major resistance, that is this one at $24.30, by the way. And at the same time, we can see that if I connect all these candlesticks, then here we have a down trend line support, and this is the down trend line resistance as well. And let me show you on the daily time frame, then we can see that Polkadot was moving inside this down channel since after October 2021, and here we broke it out in the month of March 2022. After a short rally, we rejected by this resistance that was previously breaking as a support, and after getting rejected by this resistance of $24.30, we moved down, and you can see exactly from the previous support of the down channel, exactly from there we are having very nice bounce, and now it is trying to break out the resistance of the channel. Target for this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately $54, and I'm expecting if Bitcoin starts the next move to the upside and even breaks out the resistance of this wedge, this time the resistance of the wedge is approximately at $36,000, then Polkadot can turn even more bullish than Bitcoin, and it can hit the target of $54 very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.